Today we want to talk about unfamiliar roofs. So our technical department at K2 gets a lot of calls or pictures sent of oddball roofs that maybe we haven't seen very often, or maybe we have seen them but they're not common to the customer. And these roofs could be outdated. They could still be holding their value very well. They could be new up and coming roofs. But the point is you need to do a little bit of investigation before installing or sending crews out to these jobs. So in order to tackle this, whether you're doing a site visit or maybe you're a distributor rep trying to help a customer, trying to help an installer, or maybe you are the installer trying to figure out what is best to do on this roof and you don't want to pass up the job. So it's best to be honest with the homeowner and say, I haven't seen this roof before, but I'm going to look into this and dig deep. So there's different things that you can do. Obviously talking to the homeowner and getting information from them. They might have some record at the building department. There might be a roofer on record who did that roof, and you can get some information with them, maybe work with them. Or if all else fails and there's no information, you want to get in touch with the roofer and see if you can understand how these roofs are built, and maybe they can help you install these mounting systems, or finding out who the roof manufacturer is, and you can start dissecting and looking at how vent pipes were done, how the waterproofing was done, how the roofing material was installed. Therefore, you can respect that roof and understand how to put a mounting system that's going to continue that waterproofing best practices on the roof. So you get some roofs that, for example, stone-coated steel. You see these a lot in areas like Colorado where there's a lot of hail damage, and they put these roofs over comp shingle roofs, or they tear out the comp shingle, put in these overlapping metal shingle roofs, often referred to as stone-coated steel. And they have kind of a pan system. There's different types of them. There's a battened style where they hook in and you can tear those out individually and get some information what's going on under the roof. There's interlocking style, which is a little bit more complicated, and that's why you want to dig and find out who these roof manufacturers are, how these roofs are built, and understand what is the best approach with what products any manufacturer offers. K2 has a variety of solutions for roof attachments, and we can help you find that right roof attachment for these odd and uncommon roof types. Other roofs that you see out there are wood shake that are sometimes lapped with paper. You get true slate roofs in the Northeast where they are put in by professional slate roofers. They will know how to put in flashings and understand how to put in mounting systems. And then you get things that are new like synthetic slate or fake shake, where they are a synthetic product and they're nailed in and lapped over, and you could put in some kind of adhesive or metal flashing product to solve those problems on the roof. So once again, find out as much information as you can on the job site before you deploy your installation team, so that you can better understand the roof, better understand what products are out there, and you can install that solar on that roof type successfully.